Good days, everyone. My name is John Hill. I manage the channel John Hill Optic. John Hill Optic. This is my channel. And on this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to create, how to design Facebook banner easily in this year 2023. How to design Facebook banner. How to design Facebook banner. Before we start this tutorial, I will implore you to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for any video I uploaded on this channel, John Hill Optic. Thank you. So before we started, remember to sign up on Canva.com. Remember to sign up on Canva.com. For my next tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to sign up on Canva.com. How to sign up on Canva. But this tutorial lies on how to design Facebook banner. So let's go to Canva. When you register, here is my Canva, and this is Canva Pro. This is Canva Pro. You can see Personal Pro, Canva Pro 21. So our mission here is to design Facebook banner. So what the next thing to do is let's edit the already made banner. Click on create a design. Click on create a design and search for Facebook. Search for Facebook. You can see Facebook ad, app ad, cover, event cover. That's all the. So want to make use of Facebook ad. This is Facebook ad. Click on Facebook ad. After clicking on Facebook ad, it's going to bring you to this page where you can design or choose a already made banner. You can see those are the banners. Those are the banners which you can choose from. We want to go for tech banner. On this search area, just click on tech, press enter. You can see there are many already designed banners. You can check anyone. You can see if it is phone banner, just click on phone. It's going to hide here. You can see there are many designs. There are many designs which you can use. So the next thing to do now is you can edit. For example, I want to make use of this smartphone X. I want to Techno 5X. You can see here is it. You can expand it by clicking here. You can see, or by clicking plus. After this, so the next thing to do is you can edit this as well. You can see discover the phone. Let's increase the so that we can see what's the message, the statement here. Discover the phone that will complete your smartphone experience. So you can add more. Click on below link. So expand this. You can see expand. This has been expanded. You can see. So the next thing to do is click on buy now. You can edit this. Let's give it a bold, or let's change the color. You can see this here is black, so I want to change the color to this red. You can see. So we can increase the font by clicking plus. So you can see. So the next thing to do is you can change this. You can change this. Let's put this to red. Let's put this to white. So beautiful. You can see how beautiful the banner is. You can change this. Let's change this to 128 gig. Let's change it to 8. You can change this. That's all. You can change this color, the black color, this black color to any. You can change it to any color you want. You can see change, but let's put it to black. You can change this. You can change those are the banners. Those are the banners which you can choose from. We want to go for tech banner. On this search area, just click on tech, press enter, and see there are many already made, already designed banners. You can check anyone. You can see if it is phone banner. Just click on phone. It's going to add here. You can see there are many designs. There are many designs which you can use. So next thing to do now is you can edit. You can edit. For example, I want to make use of this is smartphone X. I want to in Techno 5X. You can see here is it. You can expand it by clicking here. You can see, or by clicking plus. After this, so the next thing to do is you can edit this as well. You can edit this as well. You can see discover the phone. Let's increase so that we can see the message, the statement A. Discover the phone that will complete your smartphone experience. So you can add more. Click on below link to buy. Expand this. You can see expand. This has been expanded. You can see. So the next thing to do is click on buy now. You can edit this. Let's give it bold, or let's change the color. You can see this here is black, so I want to change the color to this to red. You can see. So we can increase the font by clicking plus. So you can see. So the next thing to do is you can change this. You can change this. Let's put this to red. Let's put this to white. So beautiful. You can see how beautiful the banner is. You can change this. Let's change this to 128 gig. Let's change it to 8. You can change this. That's all. You can change this color, the black color, this black color to any. You can change it to any color you want. You can see change. Okay, put it to black. You can change this. You can change the. Here is the phone. You can change it. You can expand it. Let's see. Let's expand it. Let's see. You can change this color. You can change this color. Here are the colors. Here are the colors. You can change this color to white. So beautiful. You can change this to this color to red. You can see. You can change this blue to any other color. You can change this blue to any other color. Blue. Yeah. You can change this to any other color. You can see. So beautiful. The next thing to do is for us to click on share and click on download and click on JPEG. Click here to download it. You can see download it. Completed. Here is the. So let's open it for us to see the design. Let's open it to see the design. Here is our design. You can see. Here is our design. Here is our design. It's opening. Here is our design. Let's wait for our design to open. You can see, so beautiful, so beautiful. Hope you learned from this tutorial, and please remember to subscribe to my channel Jonel Optech, Optech, and click on notification bell for more new videos from us. Thank you for watching. Here is the phone. You can change it.